We're doing bushcraft right now.
Right, absolutely.
Yeah, no, this is how you get the views on YouTube. Where's a lighter?
Give me the Zippo.
Hey everybody, Syntax 77 here. I am down in West Virginia. Got 2 days and 1 night. We're going to do a little backpacking. Now my last 2 trips, a little intense, and they were solo trips. So I'm going to switch things up a little bit on this trip. Kind of, I want to say chill it out, but we got some elevation in front of us. But also, we're going to bring some friends with us on this one. Try to have a good time in the woods. So I got Frank. Frank is back from the other winter videos that he's done with me. And we got new to the crew, James.
What's going on, guys?
With his snowboarding pants. He's going to shred some pow pow at the top of North Fork Mountain. That's where we're at right now on the North Fork Mountain Trail. And we got about 2,000 feet of elevation in the next 2 miles, but that should get us up on the ridge. And then we're probably going to get a bunch of views. We're going to hike in a few miles after that, maybe 5 miles max, and do some camping. A little old school camping, actually. I call it old school because I got a ridiculously big pack. We got real coffee and an FM radio, and we're just going to go out and have fun. So if you want to come with us, I think we're about to get down to it. That's us right there, Smoke Hole Road, and that's our elevation gain. And this big old ridge right there is the target. Blue blazes, follow those until I don't know, until you want to give up. Into the elevation. Starting to burn hard. No snow on the ground, but it's definitely frozen.
Oh yeah.
And it's about 21 degrees. And I guess maybe it'll crack a little lower tonight, but we'll see. We might get snow tomorrow, or late tonight, I should say. But I guess we'll have to just wait and see what happens. Hard first push, but we got a little shelf here. I have a feeling it's not going to last as long as we want it to. Oh. But it feels pretty good being on a flat section. And we're getting closer to the top of that mountain over there. Now, North Fork Mountain Trail is actually 25-mile section of trail. Runs along this ridge. And a lot of people do it as a shuttle hike, so they'll park a car at each end. Most people who are smarter than us start at the southern end. We're at the northern end. The reason they do that is because the southern end, the road is up on the ridge. Sorry, gentlemen, don't listen to what I'm saying right now. The road's up on the ridge, so they end by going down this. But we were coming from the north and we need to shave some time off. Plus, it's the weekend, so I figure if anybody else is out here doing this, they're probably doing it from the other direction. So this will give us a good chance to hopefully get camp to ourselves tonight. And obviously, since we're only doing 5 miles, we're not doing the whole end to end. We're gonna back out this same way and come down this. At least that's the plan. But we got snow on the ground.
Yeah.
It's starting melting it.
Now it's a winter trip.
There's one of the downsides of this trail.
Jimmy and I are going back.
No water.
Those the keys, please.
They're tapping out. We each have 10 pounds of water. That's 1 gallon. Because there's only one water source on this trail. It's the halfway mark at the 12-mile mark. We are not going that far. And on top of that, it's pretty unreliable. A lot of people still packing their own water. But where we're going, no chance of water. Not enough snow for snow melt. Although if we're really desperate, I guess, you know, we could scoop that up. But we brought our own water, so we are packing heavy. I'm actually at 48 pounds total. 35 pounds base, 13 pounds of food and water at least. I just went ahead and brought MREs because, I mean, gotta pack my water anyway, so why not bring food that's already rehydrated? But it's getting steep again. But I think we got about a half mile. And then once we get on this ridge, we just start getting some views. James is scouting it. He's on point. The snowfall is definitely picking up. Or I should say accumulation. It ain't much, but something. Oh, what do we got? We're breaking out here.
Hey.
Oh, wow. Oh, wow.
Not bad. Not bad at all.
Holy moly.
Jeez. That's a drop.
Yeah, sure is.
That is a drop. You don't want to get too close to the edge of this with a 50-pound pack, but
Yes.
wow.
That's beautiful.
That's pretty cool. So at this point, we're pretty close to, we're basically on the ridge.
Right.
And so now from here on out,
This.
you can pretty much come over to our right and get a view anytime you want. What? Yeah, watch. Duck, you're clear. Yeah, I mean, we're over 2 miles in, so this makes sense, man. We're up here.
We're up here, all right.
Good grief.
Pretty cool.
Oh, that's cool.
With the whole cliff that's about to fall off.
Yeah, doesn't it look like it wants to come off? Well, I wonder what we're standing on looks like from over there. That's crazy where you can see like the upheaval of the rock, which is basically just like the plates like slamming into each other, because that was level like a billion years ago.
Walking along that flat, that's probably super sketchy.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah,
Kind of like this.
it's kind of like, well, I'm sure if you saw what we just did from the air, you'd be like, what?
I feel like pictures do not do it.
No, it's
I'm
impossible,
trying to
man.
take a picture that, and I look at it, it's just, no, that's not it.
I don't even bother anymore.
It's hard to capture. So it should be, the actual trail to Chimney Top is unofficial, but we should see on our right, look out for like a pile of rocks or something, and then we'll peel off towards it. And allegedly that's where the campsite is too, which might be hard to pass up just staying at.
Rocks everywhere.
Yeah, you're right, there's rocks everywhere. A man-made pile of rocks. Oh God.
No surrender.
Nope.
About 130 steps.
And I'm counting them. That's a campsite. I mean, it's got a view. You could always go to Chimney Top. Well, the problem is it's definitely rocky for setting up a tent. There's not a lot of like flat ground. Yeah, I'm thinking this is not the one I read about. There's going to be a better one when we go on the spur trail, which will also get us further away from the main trail, because if we're hanging out tomorrow morning, I'd rather not have a day hiker going through. But it would be nice if it wasn't for all the gravel. That'd tear a hole right through your tent.
Not to mention hurting your spine.
Yeah, not to mention the spinal damage. All right, forge on. It's getting a little icy.
So how far, once we hit the plateau,
Yeah.
how far in do you want to go?
Well, that's what I was saying. Like originally I was saying we could go up to 3 miles, but there's a campsite by Chimney Top. We might just take it, dude. I mean, it's
Yeah, what time is it?
it's 12:54, so that's 4.5 hours of sunset. I say we take the first campsite we get to, dude. All right. I mean, I'm cool with that if you are.
Yep.
It should be soon.
An evening stroll.
Yeah, because we'll cook some lunch.
Yeah, put the fire down and see what we can see.
Yeah.
Yep. We'll just stake our claim, cook some lunch, and then set up camp.
Yeah, I put this thing down. I feel like we do a fly.
Oh, yeah. Oh, I know. We could do the rest of the trail and come back without these packs on. Oh, yeah, we are.
Go all the way back down and get Arby's later.
We are above that mountain. Skating?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's slick. Like it looks like snow, but it's ice.
Oh, yeah.
It is slippery. Just looking for this side trail to get up there. That is a man-made rock pile, I think.
That'll do it.
All right.
Wow, that is pretty steep.
This is the crescendo. But think of it this way. We get some hot lunch and pack off your back.
Mm-hmm.
All we gotta do is tackle this last little push.
Let's get it.
Do it. Oh boy. At least there isn't snow on this.
Right.
I would not want ice on this. I mean, I don't want to jinx it, but I think there might be a shelf here. Just please be somewhere to set down a tent or two and a hammock. Oh yeah,
there you go.
We're here.
This looks nice.
Oh, we're taking this. I don't care. We're making it work no matter what.
Yeah.
Drop your packs and claim it, boys. Yeah. You can definitely get a tent there.
Here's fire pit right here.
Fire pit right there,
End up here.
or there. We got options.
What about camping on the trail here?
Nope. Well, this isn't even an official trail. What we just did is not an official trail. And there's really not a lot of ridiculous regs around here. That's why I love West Virginia. Get this thing off me. Oh my God. That is not going back on until tomorrow. Nope.
Right on.
50 pounds of pain right there.
Give it to
Nice job, man.
The view up there, Sean, huh?
I say we go up and take a look at it, but I'm probably going to put my fleece on because I'm going to get cold real quick, even though I'm sweating right now.
And one of the
Look at that.
things to do is just take a quick look at it.
Let's take a look. I mean, this ain't bad, dude. Oh my God, my shoulders.
Yeah.
That was brutal. That was steep. Oh, look, sand. Didn't expect that.
Look at that. Interesting.
Good Lord, look at that. That's Chimney Rock.
It is.
Oh, this is awesome.
Sure is.
Okay, yeah, this is home. I ain't coming 3 more miles. No, I ain't going back down that hill, that's for sure.
This is pretty cool.
Yeah.
Tell you what, snowboard pants,
Yeah.
probably not the way to go.
Why? Too hot?
Just so big.
Oh.
So big.
But you look so cool.
They're also like 20 years old.
Hey, you know, they say fashion cycles, like most things, go in 20-year cycles. So
It's coming back.
you are back on top of the trend, my friend. Yeah, I thought that was snow, but that's straight up sand
Like limestone.
on top of the rocks.
I think there was a large sea that went through like
Maybe it was part of
the
that.
Mississippi like valley, right?
Oh, that's probably what it was.
Right. I think like just straight down the plains. I think was at some point in the past.
Dude, that's crazy. It just stretches on.
That's endless, endless Mountain. This would be a nice spot for a morning cup of coffee.
Oh my God. This is a nice spot for everything. Let's cook some lunch.
Absolutely.
That's awesome.
That's super duper cool. Thanks for taking me up here, Sean.
Yeah, man.
God's country.
This is our home.
That's wild.
Isn't that one like real shiny piece?
It's like this, the crack in between is like.
I know.
We heard that thing go in the middle of the night.
Oh my God.
Scary as anything.
All right.
Chicken and dumplings.
Chicken and dumplings. Oh, what am I going to do for lunch, people? Gotta see which MRE I want.
Cooker and everything, Sean?
Stove?
Yeah.
I got a stove. But speaking of fires,
Where do we want to do it?
I do also have something to make the fire making a little easier. It's a this is expensive backpacking gear. You ready for my portable backpacking saw?
I kind of want to say fire closest to us, but then I also don't want to, you know.
Holy shnikes. No wonder you're 50-pound bag.
Let's do it.
Alright,
That'll make
Sean,
things a little
we're gonna
easier.
take this one out. Can you cut this one about this height for a chair?
$6 from Walmart. And you know what? I don't think it weighs that much more than some of those folding camping saws. So
what is the
Tell us where we're putting stuff.
yeah, what's the wood rule here? It's got to be already down.
well, yeah, as long as it's down and dead, we're fine.
Okay.
If it's alive, A, that would be wrong, but B, it's not going to burn that well anyway.
Right.
So
Like
don't even bother.
Well, like
This
as long as it's felled, is that the
Yes,
the correct
felled.
term? As long as it's been felled,
As long as it's been felled.
then we got it. Cool.
I imagine this place is pretty pick clean, but that's why I brought the big saw, because we're going to get our hands on the stuff that people don't
Want to.
mess with.
Right.
We just need to find enough small stuff to get a base. And then, like, I see a little trail over here. If we go far enough in, I'm sure we'll find some, like, stupid big logs. We'll just... once you get a base on, we're good.
Let's get it.
I like that I got the easy job. Yeah, I'll just work on the stove
Dude, this sucks.
while you burn 5,000 calories.
Is that on?
Yeah.
Is it lit?
Yeah, it'll settle down in a minute. So I'm guessing both your meals are probably about 2 cups, so I'm just going to do a full liter for you. For the group.
In Soviet Russia, water belongs to all of us.
Frank and Jamie got their Mountain House meals. I got the MRE beef stew. Never tried it. I also don't know what else is included. So let's see what the lottery pays. Let's just dump it on the ground here. Oh, it's sliding away. All right, so there's the beef stew packet. I'll have that and that. What else I got? I got some pretzel sticks.
Nice.
I got
Sticks are always a win.
lemon poppy seed pound cake.
A little dessert.
I got a kit full of, you know, coffee and creamer and matches. I got multigrain snack bread for my stew. Some peanut butter. Some Gatorade powder. And some grape jelly. Oh, I can make a peanut butter and jelly roll up.
What a coincidence.
All right. We're good. But right now we're just going to do beef stew. Might not look that glamorous, but it's a hot meal. A little beef stew, courtesy of the U.S. Army. Next up, firewood. All right, well, that was a good, quick lunch. And now it's time to hunt for wood. So, Frank and James are up ahead here. And I think they may be on the trail of some decent wood. If not, we'll at least have some views. I know that much. Wow, look at this. There's like a whole nother campsite over here.
That sun feels incredible.
It really does. This does get more light over here. Although we're more exposed to the wind if it kicks up.
Once sunset comes on in, come on over here.
Well, yeah, we could set up camp over there and bring stools over here.
Oh boy.
That's cool, man.
Like, you can't even see where it stops of just mountain ranges.
Nope.
It's so cool.
All right. Firewood. Firewood. Whoa! That's not very nice.
Life is
It's a nice camping saw. What's up?
You bring that saw when you're good?
Yeah, I can bring it right now. I think Frank scouted the mother load. Oh yeah, that's a log. This got a handle. Oh my God, stuck. All right, clear. Yeah. All right. Ah, eyeball. Hold on. A stick in the eye. Stick in the chest. Everybody's wounded.
Hey, man, right in the
Nipple.
like stick whip. Woo!
Frank, we need medevac.
Huh?
Medevac.
Oh no.
No, we're good. We're just missing an eye and a nipple. All right. Courtesy of James, a pile of magnesium. Do you think we can light it with a striker? We're doing bushcraft right now.
Right, absolutely.
Yeah, no, this is how you get the views on YouTube. Bushcraft.
That's why we're here.
This is what we're here for. All right.
Watch out, dude. It's gonna flash. A little more.
Nothing yet. I'm skeptical.
What a boner garage.
Where's a lighter?
Give me the Zippo. Yep, go as a fire starter.
And now it explodes and takes my hand off.
That's what you need is an open flame. Got it.
There she comes.
That'll work.
All right, now put the magnesium in.
Oh, it's in there. It's on a bed of magnesium.
Bushcraft right now.
Well, somehow it is almost sunset. So we're going to make a little espresso in the aero pot. And just kind of enjoy the view. We got a shot of espresso there. Turn it into Americano. For you, sir.
Thank you.
And you, sir.
Beautiful.
Perfect.
Ooh, that goes right through that really quick.
Yeah, you want to hold the handle. Those titanium cups,
Yeah, they're...
they get hot quick. All right. Cheers.
Cheers, gentlemen.
Coffee at Chimney.
Nostrovia.
Oh, this is delicious.
That's cool.
Oh,
Very good.
okay. That's that kicks in a lot of ways. I like it.
Another level.
I can deal with that, and I can deal with this view. I got another MRE. Chili mac and beef. I'm a fan. James, what did you have for dinner? Breakfast?
Southwest Skillet style.
It's good though, right? Little potatoes?
Yeah.
Good stuff. Not a bad way to end the day. We got some snow.
Oh yeah.
Like a decent amount.
Yeah, have you looked yet?
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. Probably what? 5 inches already?
It seems like, I mean, it's been sliding off of this tarp all night. It looks good. Oh, there you go. We'll be crawling under that.
Oh yeah.
Whew. All right. Went down to 21. I think you made the right choice with one tent instead of two last night. Yeah. So that's my little 2-person tent from like 10 years ago. It's a Kelty. Frank and James both had their own tents. Frank had a 1-person Outdoor Vitals tent, but James had the 2-person tent. It's a little bit of a squeeze for 2 people, but it is technically big enough for 2 people. I guess it worked, right?
Worked for me.
But less setup, less breakdown. I got my tarp over here that we didn't pitch out quite tight enough, but we'll crawl into there to make some coffee in a minute. And same kind of theme. I didn't pitch this tarp out quite enough for the snow load that I got on my Potomac River hammock, which is kind of in recliner mode right now. But that snow was falling off here all night. Look at that. Yeah, that's 4 inches for real, like you said, maybe 5. All right, Frank, so I put the meals in the bottom section of your pack. All right. So all 3 of them together. Staying nice and hot. They'll be rehydrated. We got biscuits and gravy, a personal favorite of Frank and I.
Oh yeah.
And it'll be Jamie's first experience with that. Our sad tarp, it's kind of like a snow cave shelter. I kind of like it. It's low to the ground. It cuts the wind.
Simple.
Why not? So while the meals are rehydrating in their little pouches, we're gonna break down the tent and my hammock, and well, at least that'll be an excuse to move around. It'll keep us warm. Then we'll have a nice meal underneath of the tarp, and that'll be the last thing to go. But it will not stop snowing. It's relentless. It's coming down. Be an interesting drive home. And look, I just cleared this thing. All right, I am getting hungry.
Yeah. You guys got your spoons?
I got my spoon.
Just gonna bring them out there.
I'm going under this tarp to eat this.
Okay.
Is right. It is breakfast time.
Bada bing.
See how it is.
Bada boom.
Thank you. It's been sitting 15 minutes probably.
Might be your dry one.
That's all right. There's 1 dry, 1 soupy, and 1 probably perfect. You got the dry one. I was saying earlier though, it's pretty hard to mess this up. If it's too thick, it's good. If it's soupy, it's good. If it's regular, it's still good. Thank you.
Here comes the wind. Beautiful.
Excellent.
That's what I was looking for too.
Oh yeah, that looks good.
Well, pretty good.
Yeah, a little dry,
A little dry, but it's pretty good.
but it works.
Nice to biscuit crunchy. That's all right.
Uh-huh. Oh. It's hot though.
Look at you. Oh yeah.
Yeah. Now it gives just enough calories to get out of here without falling down a mountain.
Well,
Well, we'll probably still
I don't know
fall.
without falling, but be in better spirits.
We got a little cool doing it.
Mhm. And camp is broken down. We are broken down. And we got to go that way. It's going to be a little steep. A little sketch.
Nah.
But we're going to go slow. We'll be good. I can feel it.
Yeah. Yeah.
We got this.
Oh, yeah.
It's about 10:30, so we're making real good time. So we can head on down. Oh, we never got our hiking sticks. We got to keep our eyes open for some sticks, because that would help right now.
Whoever's in the front can use
Yeah, whoever's on lead gets the hiking stick for balance. Alright. It's good for balance. Doesn't probably wouldn't hold your full weight, but it's definitely helping. And you can probe for snow depth. Oh yeah, that's That's a good route. Just watch out for that.
That's already.
We are in the clouds, man. There is no view today.
What did we sign up for?
Why are we here?
What a view, Sean.
I'm sorry. We got good ones yesterday.
Remember those views.
We ain't getting them today. I'm skiing down this. Are we good back there? This is definitely the steepest part. We get this out of the way, we'll be good.
Don't show us at my house on the couch watching the Pro Bowl or anything.
No, no. Woo! I think this is it. We're on the real trail now. All right. This way, I guess.
Oh, it's just a big one.
It's definitely going to be easier than that. At least we're on a real trail now, right? I'm glad we got the view when we did yesterday. I could barely tell there was even a mountain right in front of me. until I really focused on it. That is fogged in. Hear a train out there. Totally different than yesterday. Well, I guess today is more about the snowy trail views than it is views out into the mountains. So at this point, we are, as Frank just pointed out to me, this is when we finally got our first view right here. So we're now just beginning the real kind of switchbacky downhill. But fortunately, I think pretty soon it's going to get back to a regular dirt trail because it's just been rocks that we can't see buried underneath the snow, and it's made it very slow going. So we're going to continue to be safe and go slow. Enjoy the snow. Look forward to a little cheeseburger. Eye on the prize. Nobody using this trail today. Except for idiots like us. Flattening out. We're in the home stretch. Home stretch.
We're looking up at that ridge like.
How did we do that? Somehow we did it. We're almost there. I would say we're a mile or under. We should hopefully be back to the vehicle soon. It's a heck of a lot different right now than it was the first day, that is for sure. James is snowboarding. He's got his moves. He's got the pants on. He did a McTwist a couple minutes ago. And Frank has been talking about McDonald's since 8 a.m. So there's no escaping the burger. That is for sure. Although we might go to Sheetz and do a custom. We don't know. Might do a custom at the Sheetz. We're definitely going to eat some food though. The biscuits and gravy are burning off. They might be gone now.
About 60 miles.
There's the trail board. Frank said he saw power lines. That means we are pretty much back to civilization. Woo! My legs are about done. I see the Jeep. Oh man. Mission complete.
Clean off this son of a. How's up?
That was not easy. I guess it wasn't supposed to be, but
Definitely not easy.
I would call it type 2 fun. You're gonna have more fun looking back on the memories than actually doing it. But we did it. So we're gonna get the snow off of the Jeep, throw our packs in, dust off, and replace some calories. I heard some snowplows in the distance, so I think this local highway by Petersburg, West Virginia, is actually plowed, which is good. So packs off, trip over. Thank you for joining me on this one. I enjoyed it. Hope you did too. Until next time, I'm Syntax77, and right now it's cheeseburger time.